Now children, let's begin chapter 13, Symbols of Unity. In this chapter, we will study importance of national symbols, national flag, national emblem, national anthem, national song, and other national symbols. Now, children, India is a big country experiencing different traditions and cultures. The national symbols of India represents the unique identity about India. Each symbol has its own characteristics, features and values. Let's begin with the importance of national symbols. First, they represent the rich culture of India, the ideas, customs, and social behavior. Next is they instill a sense of pride in the hearts of citizens of India. They firmly establish the idea or the attitude of pride in the hearts of the citizen of India that they belong to such a great and unique country. Next, they represent a unique identity of India and its citizens. Next is our national flag. The national flag of India, also known as tricolor or tiranga. Tri means three, and tiranga also means that is of three colors. Now, children, whenever you watch a cricket match or any other match being played where athletes from different countries come to represent their country, and what do they bring? They bring a flag of their country. Why? Just because to represent that they belong to that country. Similarly, when Indian players go to the other countries, they represent themselves by using the national flag. Our national flag is the symbol of freedom. It is because of the flag only that other people of the world recognize our identity, that to which country do we belong. It was first hosted in 1947 by our Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru when we became independent from the British rule. Our national flag is unique and beautiful. It is a horizontal tricolor of India consisting of three colors: saffron, kesaria at the top indicates the strength and courage of the country. The white middle band indicates the peace and truth of the country. Ashok Chakra is in the middle of the white band in navy blue color having 24 spokes representing the 24 hours of the day. The green color at the bottom shows the growth and fertility of the country. The ratio of width of the flag to its length is 2 to 3. Our national flag represents and symbolizes a given nation. It is flown by the government on various special occasions and also flown by the citizens of that country. We must pay homage and respect to our national flag. Next is national emblem. The state emblem of India or the national emblem of India has been taken from the lion capital of Ashoka at Sarnath. There are 4 lions but only 3 can be seen. They are standing back to back facing the 4 directions: north, east, west and south. The wheel at the base of the lions is also seen on the national flag. On its left side is a horse and a bull to the right side. It has an elephant and a lion separating by the intervening wheels over a bell-shaped lotus. The words Satyamev Jayate are inscribed below the emblem. The national emblem can be seen on coins, currency notes, letters, envelopes and all other government documents. Now children, next is national anthem. The national anthem of India is Jan Gan Man, composed by poet Rabindranath Tagore, and it was adopted in Hindi version as the national anthem of India on 24th of January 1950. It was first sung on 27 December 1911 at the Kolkata session of the Indian National Congress. It is sung by Indians on national occasions. It symbolizes the unity and oneness. It takes around 52 seconds to sing it in proper tune. We must stand in attention position whenever we hear national anthem and do not talk or move while it is being played or sung. Next is national song. Now children, our national song is Vande Mataram, composed by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee in Sanskrit. It is a source of inspiration to the people in their struggle for freedom. It has an equal status with Jan Gan Man. Now children, we will study some other national symbols like the national bird, national animal, national flower. Let's begin with the national bird. Now children, peacock is a national bird of India declared in 1963. It is a symbol of grace and beauty, admired all across the country. In Hindu religion also, the feathers of peacock are considered as sacred. You can also see them on the head of Lord Krishna. Next is national animal. Now children, Royal Bengal tiger is the national animal of India, symbolizes strength, agility and power. It has a combination of grace, strength, enormous power, has earned the tiger its pride of place as the national animal. Next is national flower. Lotus is the national flower of India. It is a sacred flower and occupies a unique position in the art and mythology of ancient India. It is the flower of goddess Lakshmi and symbolizes wealth, prosperity, purity and good fate. Now children, let us see some other national symbols also, like our national fruit. Like the national fruit of India is mango. It is also known as the king of fruits. It is a juicy fruit with vitamin A, C and D. The national tree of India is banyan tree. It spreads its roots and branches like a new trees over a large area. And because of this characteristics, it is known as the immortal tree. It can live for hundreds of years. The national river of India is the Ganga. It is a holy river of Hindus which flows through India and Bangladesh, covering a length of about 2,704 kilometers. It originates from the Gangotri Glacier of Western Himalayas, located in Varanasi, known as Banaras. It is a sacred river and worshipped as the goddess Ganga in Hinduism. The Ganga is a home to approximately 140 species of fish and 90 species of amphibians. And the official currency of India is Indian rupee. Now children, let's recall what we have studied in the chapter. National symbols symbolizes the nation. They instill a sense of pride and freedom. Our national flag is also called Tiranga or tricolor. We must respect and salute our national flag. The national emblem is taken from the lion capital of Ashoka at Sarnath. Our national anthem is Jan Gan Man, was composed by Rabindranath Tagore. Our national song is Vande Mataram in Sanskrit, composed by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Other national symbols are national bird is peacock, national animal is Royal Bengal tiger, national flower is lotus, national fruit is mango, national tree is banyan tree. National river is the Ganga. The official currency of India is Indian rupee.